Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Nunchuk Bitcoin wallet application on your iOS device. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Now, launch open your App Store from your app drawer. Go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in Nunchuk Bitcoin Wallet. In the search results displayed on the next page, tap on this application and tap the Get button to start downloading the application on your iOS device. Nunchuk is a non-custodial, open source and multi-sig Bitcoin wallet that prioritizes security and ease of use. It offers a variety of features that makes it a good choice for both beginners and experienced Bitcoin users. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to launch open Nunchuk Bitcoin Wallet. So that is how you can easily download Nunchuk application on your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.